The Swagbucks browser extension can stop working when it is outdated, blocked by browser settings, or unable to connect correctly with the website. By the end, you'll know the main fixes for a broken Swagbucks browser extension and the steps to check before contacting support. Start by checking whether the Swagbucks extension is still installed and enabled in your browser. Extensions can sometimes become disabled after browser updates or settings changes. Open your browser's extension menu and confirm that the Swagbucks extension is turned on. If it is disabled, enable it and restart the browser. If the extension is active but not working, update it to the latest version. An outdated extension may not function correctly with newer browser updates or website changes. You can also remove the extension and install it again. Reinstalling creates a fresh connection between the extension and your browser. Browser cache and cookies can also cause extension problems. Clear your browser data, then sign back into Swagbucks and test the extension again. Check for browser extensions that may interfere with Swagbucks. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and security extensions can sometimes prevent reward tracking features from working correctly. Try using Swagbucks in another supported browser. If the extension works in a different browser, the issue is likely related to your original browser settings. Make sure your browser is updated. Older browser versions can create compatibility problems with extensions. If you are using private browsing or incognito mode, check whether extensions are allowed to run there. Many browsers disable extensions in private mode, unless you manually allow them. If the extension still does not work, sign out of Swagbucks, close your browser completely, reopen it, and sign back in. This refreshes the connection between your account and the extension. Avoid installing multiple similar reward or shopping extensions at the same time. Conflicting extensions can affect how browser tracking works. If the issue continues across different browsers and devices, the problem may be related to your Swagbucks account or the extension service itself. In that case, contact Swagbucks support with details about your browser, device, and the problem you are seeing. The main fixes are enabling the extension, updating or reinstalling it, clearing browser data, and checking for conflicts with other extensions. Start with the fastest fix. Disable and re-enable the Swagbucks extension, then reinstall it if the problem continues. If this fixed your Swagbucks browser extension issue, subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides and quick solutions.